3, 2, 1, action, John.
Greetings bafethu, sanibonani lapha emakhaya, sanibonani lapha khona bafethu, wherever you are all over in the world. Yes, wherever you are in the world, welcome bafethu. This is Soweto Podcast Paranormal. You are welcome. Bafethu, as you know by now, Kamala Musipo Hatebe, and I know that wherever you are, you can't wait to see this face and to see Siseng Helena and to hear the stories that our guest Abanaz Bafet. So yeah, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and don't forget Bafet to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and just follow us, interact with us Bafetu, and let us know what do you think. If there's any solutions to the problems or to the issues that you might be having on the show, please do share them with us. Any advices, we'd like to hear from you Bafetu. You know we love you. Bafetu, don't go anywhere. Pretty sister Lam vandaag, let us hear good to Spatilen. Sawona sesom.
Ngiyafika.
Kunjani sisi?
Ngiyafika.
Alright, good.
Ngishaya.
Ingathuthukile man. Nathuna isipoka man, yeah.
Angithuka.
Alright, good.
Right.
Alright, Sithanda sami. Sisinomcebo usivakashele today. It's good to have you, Masi. It's good to have you. Siyabonga ukuthi usivakashele.
Ngiyamjabulela ukubona.
Siyabonga sesom. Okay, ithi sazisa abantu abasibukele emakhaya viewers ukuthi wena ubani, uphuma phi, nokuthi ukhulele kuphi, ukhule kanjani. Please just give us the introduction of yourself.
Okay. Nginomcebo, khulele eSoweto.
Okay.
Ngisalele eSwaziland, ngikhulele eSoweto.
eSwaziland.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah.
Umswati kahle.
No, angisumswati because my dad is Tsonga from Mpumalanga. My mom is from Swaziland. Yes.
Okay.
So yeah. Ukukhuleni kwami ngumntana alright. Ngikhulisa ugogo, auntie, ubaba. Yeah, ngikhulela nje family ne right. Yeah. So yeah.
Shy, thanda ukukhala, thanda ukuhleka.
Ngi-shy, but around ebantwini engibajwayela, I'm talkative. Yeah.
Oh, so shy wena.
So yeah.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
that's nomcebo.
That's nomcebo. Urenki. Uphuma phi igama lika Renki mara nomcebo?
Okay, uRenki Kama is my second name. Nganikwa ugogo wami.
Okay.
Yes.
Rendani or Renki?
Renki. It's
Renki.
Africans.
Oh, as Afrikaans naam.
Yes.
Yeah, next scene. At least sinomuntu uyi-African somewhere. Soweto Podcast uyumthwembu. Udonse nebhunu lomuntu omnyama. Hayi siyabonga sisi Renki. Yazi usi-embrace la ilokushi. Alright, Sithanda sami. Usivakashele today.
Yes.
Okay. Sicela usitshenge ngesipoko sakho sibonile.
Okay, I remember it was 2019.
2019.
September.
Okay.
Okay. I was coming back. Oh, by the time ngisahlala no auntie eGlen.
Okay.
So I was coming back from umngani wami eMapetla bekahlala eMafletini. So it's a walking distance. So bengibuya khona. So I didn't have imali transport.
Okay.
So I'm like, let me just walk. So by that time I think it was around 6 o'clock. Yes. Then mang walking wheeler back ekhaya. I met two guys Protea Point.
Protea Point.
Yes,
Okay.
ngase garage. I met these two guys. Then this other guy yangibulisa, hello sister njani, I'm like ngiyaphila. Yabo, okay, asiki uyazi-introduce vele ukuthi igama ubani. Yabo, ubuye emakhaya uze ngomsebenzi but he's staying with one of my family members akhe. I'm like, okay. Then I'm like, ucela amanamba. Then ngamnikeza amanamba, exchange amanamba. I'm like, ngizokufone. Okay. I walk back ekhaya. Ifike endlini, ngikhohle futhi nangalo guy lo. Ithi during the week afone, makafona, hello nomcebo njani? Hayi ngiyaphila. Ukhuluma nomuntu so. Okay. Ngiyakhumbula. Yabo, I'm like, can we meet? I'm like, okay, nini Saturday. Okay, sharp, no problem. Saturday ifike. Ekuseni ngithoke sharp ngihlangana this guy. Then from there I will go back ngihlangana nomngani. Yabo. Semngani lo waseMapetla.
WaseMapetla.
Yes. So I ngivuke ekuseni ngizilungise first date phela how. Then ukaya ngifonela. I think it was around 12 o'clock angifonela. Okay, yes. Asihlangane eKhaspan. There's iKhaspan yase4 eGlen.
Yes.
Then I'm like, asihlangane eKhaspan. I'm not staying far from there. I'm like, angihlali kude from lapho. So, okay, sharp. sihlangane noGuy masihlangana. So I'm thinking ukuthi uGuy maybe uzongikhipha out for i-date, like siyodla somewhere or something. Hayi uGuy ngiyambona uyangithatha ungisa la ahlala khona, yabo.
Okay.
Then masifika, it's a nice house inkulu. Okay, all right, singena. Masingena, there is ugogo ohleli sitting room, like emasofeni, yabo. So mangena, this guy like uyandlula uya ekamereni. So now it's awkward for me. Now like I'm just standing there. Then I decided to catch up with ngihlale phansi. Ngihlale phansi ngibulisa ugogo. Hayi sawubona gogo njani? Hayi ngiyaphila. Ngithuleke. Okay. Situkutuku kaya aphume ekamereni. Yabo makaphuma uyangibiza uthi kimi ngize ekamereni. Then I'm like, kamereni, okay.
Ukubizele ekamereni.
Yes. Then ngisukume ngihambe ngiye ekamereni. Nangifika ekamereni. So kulelo kamera umnyango awunama-handle. Yabo, awunama-handle. Sort of like mawufuna ukuthi bakuvulele, like umuntu kwamele akuvulele from outside or uvula ngespoon from inside.
Oh, okay.
So this guy mangena uvala like umnyango ukuthi like uvaleke. Yabo, so manje ngimangela ukuthi okay, kuyenzakalani. And it's sort of like akusi room la this guy. Like is one of the girls abahlala khona lapha, and like those girls like ama-twins.
Okay.
Yabo.
Okay.
So, because I can see my pictures, I can see impahla ukuthi hayi man, yabo. Then okay, athi kimi ngihlala embhedweni, so like it's all quiet, yabo. Ngihlala embhedweni. Then athi kimi, okay, ngicela ungihage. I'm like, why? So I'm like, okay, like I can see ukuthi izinto zihambi the way mina expecting ngakhona. So ngizwe the ugogo from outside aba like uyambiza ngegama ukuthi hawu ufuna lapha ekamereni lamantombazane, yabo. So I'm like, dude, ngicela ukuhamba, yabo. Like hayi ungahambi, asihlale kancane. I'm like, no, ngifuna ukuhamba, like hayi angisafeel right, yabo. Then uGuy aba like, okay, sharp, uzama ukuvula umnyango awuvuleka. I remember someone from outside ukuthi amvulele umnyango, but kunogogo kuphela endlini, so there's no other person phandle kwethu. Then I'm like, ufuna ukuhamba. Then ugcina sekakhipha like a spoon lapha kuyini dressing table. Keep a spoon. Then avula umnyango like uyabona ukuthi ngiserious. I'm saying I wanna go. Because already sekuyi-red flag. Hayi, sharp ngiphume. Ngithe mangiphume uyangikhapha. Makangikhapha uthi uyaphi? Ngithi kuye ngiya eMapetla, yabo. Uthi kimi uhamba ngani? Ngithi I will walk, yabo. Uthi mawufuna ukunikeza imali transport. Ngithi no. Because I could hear ama-coin esikhwameni sakhe. I'm like, no, angifuni imali transport, I will walk. I was part of exercise. Kusho ukuthi ungijikela kuphi khona lapha eCaspan, yabo. Then Caspan there's i-bridge le babiza i-Jub bridge.
Yes.
Then ngisaselapha eCaspan ngisame lapho ngithi kuye okay sharp, bye. Yimi lo ngiyawalka phela ngiMapetla ngiyobona umngani wami. Hayi. So the moment ngithi ngi-approacha i-bridge, umngani wami yangifonela. This one of umngani wami ohlala khona ePetleni, Bathuland, yangifonela. Uba like umuphi? Ngiba like ngise-Jub bridge, yabo. Athi ngicela ukuthi ujike sihlangane la eCaspan, yabo. Ngithi hayi okay, ngijike ngibuyele emuva. Mangibuyele emuva ngihlangana with my friend uLandi, sikhulume about something, then we end up siba ne-fighting yana, exchange amagama ngale, yabo. Mangala kusho ukuthi ngithe mangiceda ngingala ngibuyela back ngiya kuleya mngani lo waseMapetla.
Yes.
There's a guy on the other lelinye side le-strata.
Yes.
Like it's like this person solo angibhekile like from Manjika, you know. So there's a guy uba like, hello sisi. I'm like, so mangithi ngiyambheka umdala lo muntu, like he's old, yabo. Like akekho umdala ngaleyo ndlela, but he's older than me, yabo. Noma ngaba ngishiya ngaba ma-20 years or 25 years somewhere lapho. Then ngijika I'm like, hayi ima lapho, yabo. Okay. When the moment aqeda ukuthi ima lapho, inwele zami ziyaqala yabo. So like I have that thing with amagazi amani ukungitshela like if something is wrong or something is bad, but sometimes ukuba ignorant, we're like it's just yabo feeling. Okay, ngithe mangima this guy approach njani sisi ngiyaphi, yabo. So mangumbheka this guy ufana na that guy lo ngibuya kuye, yabo. So yazi bafana kanjani, same outfit. That guy beka light. It's just that this one is a little bit older. Lo beka light naye lo light, yabo. Everything like yonke into, like actions yonke into. But ngiba like, oh maybe ngiya overthink or ngiyazicabanga, I don't know. Aba like asambisane ngiyakubona sisi ujikile lana ini yabo. I'm like habathungu. So kusho ukuthi this guy ngikamlinde mina or something angazi. Then sambisane ngendlela, masambisana like ulobhizi uyangixoxisa vele endleleni, hayi sisi unjani, hey yabo ubani uphuma kuphi, yabo, like siba ne conversation. So while we are still walking, this guy uzama ukwenza ukungikharava, like ufuna ukubeka isandla sakhe around. So I'm like, hayi abantu bazothini, yabo, so ngikhiphe lesandla lezi. So while we were walking, like people bayangibheka, like they are giving me that kind of a look. So I don't understand ukuthi like why bangibheka ngale ndlela, like something is wrong. So I can't tell ukuthi yini wrong, yabo. We walked, sahambe, semasihamba. So ngithi kuye, yabona mangifika eProtea Point, ngifuna ukudabula lapha kunezindlu, ngifuna ukudabula lapha ngakhona ngizophumelela ngaseparkini. Aba like no, phuma kanje, asiphume kanje. Ngithi but it's a drive for me. Aba like no, asiphume kanje. Hayi. Okay. And akangisheli ukuthi ngizothayisisa ngiyakuthanda. Like this is a conversation. Semasahamba. Ngithi kuye, okay sharp, startile le trial le bethe sithathe sam. Mase sifika there's a place like a police station. Angisho police station, court. Then ngisho ukuthi kwamele ngiphume ngaleso strata lese sesikhuphukayo ngizokwazi ukungenela ngasema flatini, which is kwamele ngiphinde futhi ngibuyele emuva, so it was a drive for me, yabo. Then uba like how uyaphi, ngithi ambuso ngijike ukuthi ngiyaphi. Aba like ngabe ungitshelile ngizonikeza imali yokugibela. Same thing, that guy offered imali yokugibela. So it's something is kunokufana nyana. I'm like ngi right, no, yabo. Okay, sharp. Kushuthi semasifika uthi guy, hi mina ngiyaqina la nabo. I'm like yaqina ngithi okay sisobonana ngizokubona yabo. Ngisathi ngibheke lokho, this guy disappeared in front of amehlo yabo. So when he disappeared, like I was shocked, like I couldn't believe ukuthi lento engibonayo yiyo or akusiyo. Like it's like ingqondo yami maybe idlala ama games, like did I really see this, yabo. Then ngizotshela bani, like there's few people futhi nasestradeni, like akunabantu abaningi, imoto nje kuphela esindlulayo. Ngike ngathuka ne. Then I decided to okay sharp, ithi ngihambe ngiye kubomngane. Ngihambe ngiye kabomngane. Ngithe mangifika kwabomngane, umngane ngomtholi, ngithola ubhuti wakhe, yabo. Mangithola ubhuti wakhe, ngifike ngiyashake ke. Mangiyedla ngicela ukungena ngiyashake. Yabo, uyangibuza ukuthi yini unginikeza amanzi. Ngithi kunento ecela ukuyenzeka. Like I still don't believe ukuthi yenzeka kampela, yabo. He like kuyenzakaleni, sekungixoxela istory ukuthi ngihlangane nomuntu kanje, kwenzakala into kanje, yabo. Like yini did it spoke or why? Because this person unyamalele emekham, like ngombona like ngiyedla ngicela ukuthuke sharp, bye bye, yabo, few steps then disappear kanjani. Then he was like, yeah, ubabesona ispoke. Like I was so traumatized. I had to wait for umngani ukuthi abuye. Uthi umngani makabuya ngamtshela istory ukuthi friend ngenzakale this. And from lapho, even going back home, I had to ngithi angisa walking ngibela itaxi. What if lespoke singibhekile futhi, or maybe I don't know. So but yeah, it was scary. And this is something engingakazi ngakhuluma ngayo kakhulu or ngitshela abantu abaningi ukuthi so this happened, like yabo. So
this is 2019, you said?
Yes, 2019. Bonus Spoke.
Okay. No, sister, it's very interesting. Then you said there's another one.
Yes.
That happened. I think you mentioned Gutubaba, your father has please tell us about your other stories as a Makost.
Okay, this one happened before
the recent one, yeah, 2019.
Yes. So what happened is that, okay, my dad, umuntu osebenza ngogesi, plumbing, ukufaka ama-tiles, umsebenzi nje wezandla, yabo.
Yes.
Then, umuntu like sometimes banokumbiza unama-tender, like wazabantu, like yabo. So there was a time la bambiza ePolokwane. I think bekakwa isikolo, yabo. So I'm like, okay, sharp. So every time baba makasebenza, there's certain times la bengizokuna ukuthi ngihambe naye, maybe ngim-assist, like ngibheke ukuthi abantu bakhe bayenza zona, yabo, into ezinjalo. So okay fine, there was a time Polokwane ngiyakho isikolo. So lapho ePolokwane there were different people. Omunye nomunye uzanethenda yakhe. Maybe one uzanethenda yokubenda, the other one uzanethenda yama-tiles,
Tiles,
like
yes,
different
paving.
people. Then we went there. Masifika ndaba zokusebenza mina I'm just assisting lapho nalapho because like let's take bayamnikeza ukuthi okay uzoyenza ama-class maybe ayi-10 or uzoyenza ama-class angaka. So I have to check ukuthi umunye nomunye i-class lakhe uyenza zona. Yabo. All right, so we are going to be there for 3 months. Kusebenza. So silala kuphi? Khona lapha esikolweni emaklasini. Like ama-mobile class. Yabo. So kuyasebenza. Yes, okay. All right. So there was this day, it was Saturday. So intambama, people they decided to bahamba bayophuza laba baphuzayo. Yabo there's a place somewhere yabo bahamba bayophuza. Then we remained. Masala, I think we ngintombazana ngiyi-1. We remained there. Masala, we decided ukwenza umlilo. So senza umlilo kuphi ngasemaklasini facing what? Open space, like sort of like ground. Yabo. We are sitting there. Mashleli. So there was this other guy was Swaziland. Yabo, but naye uze nge-company yakhe ngento zakhe. So he was part of team esihleli lapha because besingekho baningi. I think bese 5 or 4 somewhere lapho. Yabo. So masilala nakhona mina bengilala mobile class yami ngiyi-1 then the men bazolala bodwa like yabo.
Okay.
So that day people laba abanye abasebenzi decided ukuthi bayophuza sale thina light umlilo telling stories ukuthi hayi umunye nomunye uza ne-story sakhe hey kwenzakala this kwenzakala that kumnandi yabo. So I think it was late lapho, I think 11:30 kuya kubo 12 lapho sihleli. So masihleli having isicoca, there is a thing iyandlula, this thing yinde and I can't describe it. Iyandlula, ithe mayindlula akekho obuzobona, like akekho obuzukuthi uyibonile angibonanga, sonke we ran. Sigijimela kuphi? Emaklasini. Sigijimela emaklasini sangena eklasini eli-1 sonke akunandoda akunamfazi singena emaklasini. So masingena la emaklasini ama-light akhona is like as lighter automatically like na ukuthi kune-switch. We had to start ama-fashion. Siphule ama-lights. Because sithukile, like we are sithukile. So this guy lo wase-Swaziland uba like no this thing like it's sort of like profit nyano I don't know mara he like this thing njalo like yeah there is a ghost because after ukudlula that thing there's a guy ozayo ongagqokanga iskipa on top ufake ibru which means umnikazi, it's one of umnikazi wale whatever thing lesiyibonile yabo. So they want in ama-tenders yabo. So yeah, so like it was scary nje bekuthusa. So we end up sleeping there sonke akunakuthi uzothi ngiyolala le ngiyi-1 singithole kahle ngiyi-1 I'm like so silele ke lapho silala kahle phansi fine. Sekuseni sivuke senza umsebenzi wethu. Okay, the following day sleeping masilele kusho ukuthi this thing ingifikela yabo bayingifikela like iyangihama ngilele like I'm half awake half asleep like I can hear I can yabo this thing ingifikela iyangihama yabo. So mangihama I'm like I'm trying to say G yabo like I'm trying to keep a legama lika Jesus. I'm like G ingibambile like I can feel ukuthi umoya uyaphuma. I'm like G yabo ingibambile yabo ithela mayizothi yangiyeka kancane ne ngajump. I'm like Jesus yabo ngithe mangijumpa I end up ngikanda nalaba abalele lapha phansi yabo. Mangithi ngiyathela ngibona this guy lo wase-Swaziland lo prophet he's praying yabo. He be like every time siyafika like it's just that I take it because I'm always praying yabo. Today I don't know what happened but so sivuke sonke wonke umuntu yabo kenzakalani ngoba ngijampile phela ngiyabaganda. I'm like guys singifikele yabo. So we felt ukuthi hayi akusekho safe phela because there's a lot ezenzakalayo. Then azange sahlala futhi naleyo 3 months leyo. Azange sahlala naleyo 3 months leyo nje. Ithe after that accident whatever le yenzakele I think it's like a week or something. Then we went back home.
So meaning in other words, you left the tender and you didn't continue.
Not me. We. Sonke we left.
The time malak like
Nah,
you left,
we
literally.
left. Because ungahlala wena ngathi ukhanya ibhoko nini when uyazibona, you know.
Manje umnikazi yona umnikazi wesibhoko ngithi manihamba sonke nonke nikhona ukubona lo osele umnikazi.
Osele. No, umnikazi wesibhoko akekho among us. But he's there on unethenda yakhe na. Anti thina size ngethenda yethu like your tiling. Omunye uze ngethenda yakhe maybe yokupenda because isikolo esikhulu phela kuyakwa isikolo lapha ya. Yabo. So now unethenda yakhe, so you know abantu bamathenda banalento ukuthi bayalwa, omunye uthwele, omunye nento zakhe. So lebusuku wena kudlula lesibhoko nini nangu umnikazi uyalandela.
Mandring, just take me back. Take us back with the viewers once again.
Yes.
You said maybe if you can try and recall, I'm very much interested. What is it exactly that you saw? Then then yabona ukuthasha kusho the way le khathamuluthi le frikani. Like akekho kuzomunye like ibenjani man
Beitusa, like you know.
Is it like an animal?
No, it's not an animal. Yabona, that's why I'm saying I can't describe it. Lento le ayina ukuthi ngizothi yinde indlula ipolo or yinde imfishane nepole. Like I can't describe it ukuthi ngizothi inkulu. Like that thing, it's
isilwane maybe.
Akusisilwane, into engikazi ngibone. That's why. Yabona if it's one, I will say indle.
So like, does it have legs or general description? Does it have legs?
Okay, I didn't see my legs.
My hamba kanjani?
My hand, yahamba kahle.
Like a normal person.
Yeah, it's walking,
Like
but
walking
yes.
upright.
Yes.
So it's something that stands.
It's standing, it's like we are sitting, it's an open space, like it's a crowd.
backgrounding.
This thing iyandlula so. So you can see it from a distance with the lento.
So what about the description makes it look like this is definitely not a person? This is something else.
That's why ngithi into engiqala ukuyibona angazi ukuthi ngithi ngidescribe kanjani.
Uthi nayi ibonile ngoba awunayo.
No one. Noma sifika nasemaklasini no one azange sithi ngibonile zange sifisa khula la ama light.
Ezibangiceda baphula amalayithi bafuna ukwenyayo bafuna amnyaza.
Because in our minds we are thinking ukuthi njoba kunama light it will see ukuthi that kunabantu.
Ngiyatshelana nibele nonke nje ndivele ndaphula.
Oh my God.
Like obvious, it's not all of us who also pull a light. There's that certain person feeling like yes, hi, asabuza like no one again kukhuluma. So it's just
It's a matenda.
no.
Abanye bayadubulana. Yeah, matenda.
So yeah, that day.
So to this day, you would say there's nothing on earth that you would say this thing resembles. It was just one of those things, like never seen it before. It was terrifying, and you'll never see anything that looks like it ever
Yes.
again.
Yeah, it makes sense. And apologies to my viewers.
Yes,
I think
definitely.
it's just
No, yes, Prophet, of course. Yeah, we're not laughing at Usister Ruti in you know, we share the same moment as she's sharing as well with us, with know what they saw. That is why we want to also to give you the description of what it looked like. So Usis Rinkes, she's mentioning what it looked, Sipo, there was no way. Menguzoti, oh na, ibonile idlulile, and then siyahlala kube normal. So I'm sure ba champion umlilo khona lapho. So just you know, guys, please let us know your own experiences. Sis Renke, so now let's go back and talk about lo uthi ngazathi uyathandaza kakhulu lapha no prophet nyana.
Yes.
Then magathi ayizi because Nathan Loa wasn't.
Because uyathandaza.
Yes. Is he someone that maybe knows about Ilona? did he share light with no into so mazenzeka? Did he go maybe nimbuzo ukuthi I wona uyathandaza so bonani so far ukuthi azizi because uyathandaza? How did you guys engage him, or it was like yazi sizospana and then we just
No, this guy sivele sihlangane naye khona lapha lo umuntu esingamazi. So on that day masizohlala naye emlilweni. Is the day masizobona lento esiyibonile. Then that's where he started saying yes, bekunento kanje yayenzeka nani yabo. So we knew it from there ukuthi kusho ukuthi lo muntu dala yena abona or uyaboniswa or asazi. Yabo.
is it
Yes.
okay?
So even after masizongihama yabo makazothi no, every time every night lento le iyeza yabo iyeza like ihamba ngasemaklasini yabo. So that day mangivuka ngimthweleni ayenza athandaza. So I don't know ukuthi kuze kanjani singihama because that guy was praying. Or maybe suka aba late kushawe isikhathi, I don't know mara nje the guy was praying.
So uthi hlala iza nento ne makasho.
Yena makasho thina besingazi ukuthi kunento kanje, we didn't know. So kusho ukuthi yena every time lento uyayibona but you like it's normal, maybe kudala azibona yabo. So thina kithi it was a shock.
But eternality yes is ranking like what is your father saying? I mean uzela ngaye
No,
lapha.
ubaba umuntu wama jokes. So everything nami ngaba serious, but after when times goes on we laugh about it. And we even like when wakijima kanje like it's now funny, it's like a side like personal ukuthi ngizothi ibhlungu or what, like it's part of life.
Is it?
Yes.
So how did he come to a position ukuthi yazi umuntu amathenda and then just like cut? Was it so severe to him to a point ukuthi yazi mntanam le I cannot stand it as much as I'm a funny guy, I'm a jokey guy, but le or influence the decision from others would know of it, we have to leave this thing?
Okay, the reason ukuze uKheshapu I decided ukuthi uKheshapu cut. First it was indaba yesibhoko ane yonke lento enzakalayo, and secondly it was because of imali from the place. So which means imali bengasaphumi nakahle futhi. Don't you like I'm risking my life ukuthi ngibonana nebhoko. At the end of the day, I'm not even getting enough of because kwamela kholele labo bantu laba abamsebenzelayo labantu ezenabo until naye uza ne-crew yakhe.
That's true.
Yes. So amela bakholele, so which means the money is not enough. On top of that, they're risking impilo yakho awulali ibhoko nani. So like it's better I go back home.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's go back at Protea Clan. Uphundanga lo sambona maybe
Okay,
yeah.
ngamgcina that day. Noma ngifike endlini, he tried to call, block my number, deleted. Angizange ngisafuna nikusengihlanganisa naye. Because if I am good, what if we try ukuthi yazi investigate and discover even more ukuthi girl yabo. So I'm like yazi lokho ngibonile it's enough because it's too much trauma phela.
So nomkhulu literally disappeared in front of your eyes.
Umkhulu disappeared in front of my
So you believe that was a ghost?
Same thing applies to the one that I saw, the big one. Like it just shoom, then out of the blue. Nah, a full step. Kanjalo.
So Moti kuna similarities between the two guys, which the actor almost not is the same guy. You think really they could be related. So Moti the Rafana, they were wearing the same clothes.
The guy was wearing ihembe lama scotch like line scotch. The guy was wearing ibru, but in khaki. Yes. Also the same guy. The smell. I'm action. Like this guy figure endlini uthe ngumhaka ngisho. This one didn't say ngumhake. He tried to say ankarave. Yabo. So it's like yonke into similar. Like they offered both of them. They offered me unginikeza imali taxi. I said no, and I can hear a coin on their pockets. So I'm like, is it a coincidence or kanjani angazi?
And then you did say which people were looking at you funny.
Yes.
So maybe people were seeing you. uyahlangana umuntu ukhuluma
nami into ebengicabanga ukuthi okay yini le bayibonayo and I can't stop them and say why ningibheka yabo because uyadlula na ngomunye uyakubheka like ukubangalela then another one again so it doesn't sound like something is wrong.
So umkhulu uhlangana lapha ebridge ka Chubchub.
Umkhulu yabona that guy la kujikele khona lapho eKaspani. Yes, umkhulu which means from so long ame lapho.
Lapho kuKaspani.
Yes, la uguy angijikele khona.
eKaspani.
Yes.
Yeah.
So kusho ukuthi anti mina uguy ungikhaphile uthe makangikhapha yimi lo approacha i-bridge umngani uyafona ngani jiya ngijike athi ahlangane eKaspani because ungibuza ukuthi nguphi ngathi sengi-approaching ngisebridgeini yabo lika Jubjub aba like okay asihlangane eKaspani sikhulume nomngani sikhulume then masikhuluma the moment ngithi ngiyajika ngibuyele emuva ngiyahamba then that's umkhulu like hello from the street kwelinye side lestrata yeah hello yabo ima lapho kanjani yabo then I'm like ngibonile mawuthi ngiyakubona so all along ngidinde ukuthi ngibuyele emuva ngiphinde ngibuye so that uzokwazi ukuhambisana nami like in my mind and ezinye izinto ngiyasaba futhi nokuquestion because umuntu omdala phela so kuzobe ngathi maybe ngiya disrespect but the way enza izinto ngakhona like yabo so
Renki, after all this that has happened, let's put your father's story together going to Elon, that tender, and Umkulu, and no bafo lokuvalela ekamereni, umacoin. So mawuhlanganisa all this thing. So I hear a lot of our guests, they say they've got this PO.
Yes.
When they see batibane kandilula. Do you consider yourself the same as well, Gutunas PO?
No, I don't think it's pure, but some people they say, nah, so, but me, I don't believe in 25 unless routine is pure or bonus. Sometimes I will even have a dream, which is mangvuga. Some of them they come true, but I'm just like, I like by ignorant about it because I don't wanna believe which is in the country is pure, like I'm fungi fagekana. This was it. Yes.
Okay.
But in her case, yes, because there is two by one among. I wonder if she saw it
alone. It was something else.
But don't you go?
Yes. Yeah, but the pants bomb.
Yes.
Okay. And then last question as well. Mautu Yabonis, do you have Umayado Obu Sangom? You don't?
No.
Okay. Because 80% of our guests banalento ukuthi kunesiphiwo sokubona and
unabatala.
Yeah. So hence I wanted, sometimes you just try to align the similarities with, okay. So in most cases, it then goes to a point whereby people that are given that gift to see the unforeseen, it's because bana gift abantu abadala. So as we always ask, okay, so a normal ithingithi umuntu onganasiphiwo sabadala would they see mhlawumbe maybe if you might have some idea do you think they might see ipogo or things like abotikolo shinto njalo?
Yes, like umuntu onesiphiwo angabona like even noma umuntu avela uyasho ukuthi no lo akusumuntu yabo. So but if awunazo or something uzoba like ubona umuntu wena you don't know what's lento engihamba nayo akusumuntu ophilayo. Yes.
Okay.
So yeah.
So since after then, have you seen any ghost lately?
No, guys.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, guys. Bafethu nango Simzulu Sis Renki. She has said it. Please let us know what you think. Interact with us.
As well as, sorry to cut you, if maybe your viewers know what the thing is, please let them tell us this is what she saw.
Oh yes, definitely. Yeah. Yes, definitely. Yes, guys, please do come through. Let us know. Experts as well of the situation at hand, the ghost. Let us know, guys, if unolwazi oluthile olujulile olubanzi ukuthi what a ghost. How do they exist? How do we then coexist with them as human beings who are still in the flesh? Please do let us know. Just send us a comment, send us a WhatsApp and an email so that we'll interact. Because as you know, Buffett Soto Podcast Paranormal Show, we're just not a normal show. We're a show that we emphasize on teaching. We want to solve problems. We want to inspire and to make sure that we bring each other into the light. Yokuthi izinto kumele sizazi bafethu, we must not live in ignorance. So yeah, guys, remember, Sipho Hatebe is my name. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow us, let us know what you think. And yeah, please do follow, send us those stories. We want to hear more of them. Guys, it was nice to have you. Siswam siyabonga kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga mina.
Bafethu, adios.